Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and I'm sharing how I get rid of those dark under eye circles. It's the IT Cosmetics concealer. This is called Bye Bye Under Eye, and I can honestly say that because of this concealer, I no longer have those dark circles under my eyes. So the formula in this concealer is really thick and sticky, which is exactly what I like when it comes to concealer, because you know it's gonna last all day long. And I love that this is waterproof, so I feel like that even when I'm sweating, it's really hot outside, my concealer stays put, which is an awesome feature in a concealer. So as you can see, it really gets rid of my under eye circles. You can see the before and after. It's incredible. This product also has hyaluronic acid, which I find is extremely moisturizing to my skin, as I not only apply this under my eyes, but any redness, any breakouts. This concealer is my go-to. And because it's so small, it's about the size of a small nail file. You can throw it into your travel makeup bag and take it anywhere you go. So this is my secret weapon. I can't live without it. I know you'll love it as well. But that's just my point of view.